Hi amazing people, welcome to my channel Clean Meals. It's your favorite girl, Princess Clayton, Queen of Hearts and Smiles. It's another tutorial going down. Let's start at the very beginning. You know what's up, right? Okay, into it. And when you start, you begin with YouTube Studio. Okay, so what are we going to be talking about today? We're definitely going to be doing a tutorial on how to get to see your subscribers, so you get to know those who have subscribed to your channel. I did a video on that sometime back and some people say it wasn't very legible. They couldn't see it very clearly. So I'm trying to do this one again, and there were some things that I didn't do on the last video, so I'll be doing them right here. So when you get to YouTube Studio, you go to the left hand side of your laptop or your phone. You know, I'm actually going to do a video where you can actually get this desktop mode on your phone, so you can actually go right down there. You see, those are things right there. You can go to the dashboard, you can go to your videos, you can go to the playlist, analytics, comments. Here you can actually see all comments. You can also go to subtitles, copyright, monetizations, and audio. There's some audios that you can use so you don't get copyrighted, but that's not what we're doing today. So let's get to it. You just scroll down a little bit, and at the right hand side you're gonna see this. That's it, recent subscribers, and you click on see all. Okay, see all. There you have it. So I actually did this just recently. I had to subscribe to some people. I wish I left it like that. So when you come here, this is exactly what you see. It's not in the order of how the people subscribe, it's rather in the order of who has the highest number of subscribers. Okay, so you can see here, if you click on this, it's going to put it in order, like from the least to the highest. And if you click on it again, it's going to put it from the highest to the lowest. So because of that, the dates here are not in order as well. And so if you want the dates in order, you definitely have to click on dates subscribe. So it's going to show you the dates from the person who was the most recent to subscribe to your channel going down. There is also a button right down here. You see this? It says 10 people. There is this tiny arrow right down here. If you can see clearly, it says rows per page. So on normal basis, here is just 10. And if I click on this, I could put it to 50, so I can see 50 people at a time. You see that? I'll be able to now scroll right down. I can be able to see 50 people who have subscribed to my channel in their last 90 days. So I can also come to this tiny upside down pyramid here as well and get to click on it. So I can choose a number of days. You know, it could be 7 days, it could be 28 days, it could be 90 days, 360 days. So if I put up 360 days, you're going to see a lot more people. Just about 40 something people have subscribed to my channel in the last 90 days. So you can see there you can see that. Okay, and what happens is this: if there is a channel you have not subscribed to, for example, if I have not subscribed to a particular channel, I would get, okay, so that's 50. Let's go to the next 50 and see if I have someone I have not subscribed to their channel yet. I just might get to add the other ones I've done. You know, let's go, let's see that. Well, I guess I'm subscribed to everybody. I'm subscribed to everybody. That is let's see, I really want to see if there's someone that I've not subscribed to. That's why I'm still taking this. And some people say I always talk. Okay, so yeah, you can see, and that's very strange because this is someone that I had already subscribed to long ago. So it shows that YouTube is actually unsubscribing people from people's channels. I actually subscribed to her just the same day she subscribed to me, but it's showing here that I'm not subscribed to her, and this will be in blue. Yeah, And then if you've subscribed to the other people, it's going to show unsubscribe. If you've not subscribed to the person yet, but they have subscribed to you, it's going to be showing subscribe. So when I click on subscribe, I have to make sure I go and watch a video on her channel so it sticks. So this is where you click on. You click on this and it's going to take you to her channel, and then you look for a very short video and you watch so that the subscription is going to join. And I've been watching her videos and commenting and all that, you know, so I'm surprised how this is showing me that I'm not subscribed to her channel and nothing has been done on her channel. We have these things where we grow our watch hours, so we've been playlist buddies for a time. I guess YouTube is taking off everything. I'm doing that because I wanted to see if I have a red line there, but there's no red line here, which is strange, but we've been playlist buddies for a while. So I would go to subscribe to her channel. So that's exactly what happens. So when you go to your YouTube studio, like I said, let's take it back to my channel, you know, that. Look at it very well. You click on the tiny icon here. It takes you to your channel. And from your channel, you go to, after starting at the very beginning, a very good place to start, you go to YouTube Studio. Okay? And from there, you see every other thing, and then you just scroll down, get to the scroll bar and scroll down to the right hand corner. Yeah, the very last place, and you see recent subscribers. Then you click on it, say see all. Yeah, so I hope that is very useful. You can tell us which other tutorial you want us to do. Sometimes people say it's easy, but some people really don't understand it. Like I said, don't forget, because you might be looking out for people who've been on Drop a Link Day, and a lot of people are complaining how some people have not subscribed to their channel because they can't see them in recent subscribers. Of course, if I'm not a person who has up to maybe 1K subscribers, I'm not going to appear on this first page. I subscribed to you recently, but I'm not going to appear on this first page because right here, the first person is someone who has 7,000 subscribers. I have just 1,000 subscribers. I might not feature on your page, depending on who you have on your page, depending on the subscribers you have on your page and how much subscribers they have. So if you want to get it right, don't forget, click on the date and make it come to the right date. So of course, if I subscribe to you today or yesterday, of course it has to be here because this is 16th of July, and the truth is this thing takes a very long time to update. Sometimes it takes about 48 to 72 hours. Yeah, so you have to be really patient with people. Some days it takes like 72 hours, some days it takes like 48 hours, you know, like there is someone who subscribed to me yesterday. It's not yet year, and this is the latest subscription count right here is the 16th of July. But I have people who subscribed to me like on the 20th of July. I have people who subscribed to me before the 20th of July, and today is the 22nd of July and it has not been updated. So if I go getting angry or getting irritated that someone didn't subscribe to me and probably unsubscribe to them or something like that, it's not going to be fair on the person. So this is like 4 days. It's even more than 72 hours, and it has not reflected here that the person has subscribed to me. So you see, it's really tricky. And sometimes, just like we say on Drop a Link Day, the person might have already subscribed to you. So when you see the comment and you come here and you don't see their subscription count, what you need to do is to go right to the end. So you probably put it for like 90 days or you put it for 360 days, and then you check right till the end. The end means you check this, you keep scrolling to the next, you scroll to the next, you scroll to the next, and just like that, you just keep going to the next until all of the 90-day subscription is visible on your board. That's when you can say for real, this person didn't subscribe to my channel. Because the person might have subscribed to your channel months back. The person might have subscribed to your channel a year back. I actually have one of my leaders who had that issue. We do it for your favor. We do it to make it work for you. it's like a goodwill thing that we're doing. So for example, we say things like, if your short video is dropped right in the chat and people go subscribing to you, even if you're subscribed to the person, just go ahead and still subscribe. You know why? Because you might be subscribed to the person and the person is not subscribed to you yet. So yes, if you're subscribed to the person, that might have been like a long time ago. So when I come to my comment section and I check all my comments and I see your comment there and then I don't see your subscription count, all I need to do is to go and verify. So maybe you subscribed to me today or 3 days ago, or maybe you had subscribed to me like 4 months ago, and then you come to the live stream and you see that you're subscribed to me. You just leave a comment because you want me to be sure that you're subscribed to me, but I've not subscribed to you yet, right? So what I have to do on my end is come to this subscription count board and go right to the end. So at least 90 days would work that miracle. I don't think YouTube is going to take like 3 months to put out a subscriber here. So let's just say 90 days could do it. Or if you just want to be nice, 1 year. So you put up 1 year and you get to check if the person's name is there, because the person might have subscribed to your channel a long time ago. If the name is not there, then that's a different ball game entirely, you know. But if the person has commented on your channel and all that, just give them the benefit of the doubt. And that's another thing as well. So if I also comment on your link and I'd already subscribed to you, and you come and see the comment and you don't, for example, you don't see my subscription in the recent subscribers, it's probably because I'd subscribed to you already. My leader had that kind of problem. She had already subscribed to someone 3 months ago, and when the person came and saw the comment, they waited to see their names on recent subscribers. It didn't pop up in recent subscribers, and they were worried and they were getting edgy a little bit, saying that my leader has not subscribed to them. No, she had subscribed to you months ago, so her name is not going to be under this like first 15 or first 10 or first 20 subscribers. It's going to be somewhere 4 months back or 3 months back. And considering the fact that you don't know when the person subscribed to you, at least a year will make it work. A year will make it work. And now that YouTube has been unsubscribing people from people's channels, it can be very tricky. So please, let's be patient with each other. Let's try as much as possible to do what we have to do. If it's possible, you get the people on Instagram, and that would be better, you know, that would help. So the next thing I'm going to be showing us on, you can also recommend what you want us to do for you on YouTube, and we're definitely going to do that tutorial for you to be able to help you. The next thing I'm going to be showing us is how to get your links right here. You see this? How to get these links here, these hyperlinks. If you just click on this, you're going to go to my PayPal account. If you just click on this, you're going to go to my Instagram account. That's exactly how it works, you know. See that? So if you open this, that's my PayPal. If you open this, that's my Instagram. So it's easy when you put that, so that sometimes when you have those complaints and those issues, you can just go to the person's Instagram and get to say, oh, this is what happened. I couldn't find you on my list and everything. Hope all is well. And then I could tell you that I already subscribed to your channel months ago. And then you can come to your subscription, recent subscribers list, and you go the number of months back, and you definitely see my name on it. So drop a link day is for the best of everybody. Like, we've taken care of a whole lot of things. We used to go to live streams and just get to subscribe on those live streams, and we're not even sure. I've had that, my fair share of people dealing with me. I go to a live stream, stay there for hours on ending, stay up all night, and I'm struggling to get subscribers, and I finally get them. And I wake up the next morning, like 20 of them have disappeared and all that, and I had no proof and nothing. But now, Drop a Link Day is here to help you, and help you way beyond just getting those people and they're being fake. They've given you options. If you've waited and the people do not subscribe, and you don't see their subscriber counts, you don't see their comments, it's immediate results. You don't see all of that. You can actually get to them, or you unsubscribe. It's that simple. Just unsubscribe. we can't go forcing people to come and subscribe to your channel. And the truth is that some people are definitely never going to do it right, and there is really nothing we can do about those people. But for the few who can do it right, for the few who are loyal, for the few who are respectable, please just ask them nicely what is going on if you notice that. So please, someone might have subscribed to your channel a year ago, 4 months ago, 2 years ago, but you're not subscribed to them. So it's normal that if you go and see a comment from them, you're definitely not going to see their name in recent subscribers, because they didn't subscribe to you recently. They subscribed to you long ago. So make it a deal to actually check till the end. If you can, check till the end. You saw that we had lifetime there, right? So you can check. If this tutorial was very useful to you, get to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get all our updates. And whatever tutorial you want us to get doing, write it down in the comment section, and we'll be at your service all the time. I always get to say I love you so very much, but God loves you way more. Bye-bye.